Hey, what's up, guys? This is Peter once again. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on this Sud Factory spotless glass water spot remover. It's been a big rant on Facebook, social media, and all that. So I kind of wanted to give you guys a little quick sample to see if this stuff really works. You know me, when it comes to as seen on TV, I'm very skeptical. So I kind of wanted to show you guys. I had already done this window, but I want to show you guys this. See if I could show some spots. Gee, how do you even show the spots? Because my truck is tinted. So anyway, let's see. Give me a sec here. Anyway, guys, I finally found a good angle. As you can see, there's spots right there all around. This truck, I guess, was always parked in a place that always has spots. So I just kind of want to sample it to see what the hype is all about. Like I said, I've already done that window, so as you can see, it actually does work. But I want to show you guys how quickly it actually does take off the spots. Okay, so here goes. I'm going to open this thing up. I'm not going to pause it so that you guys can see that there's no interruptions or any type of geez, I'm gonna open this. There we go. Any type of swap of products or whatever, and then I'll give you guys the details of my pros and cons with this product. Anyway, I'm gonna do what everybody else is doing. Just get a little piece from my finger here, and you guys can still see all these spots. So I'm gonna just rub it on there. Rub spots there, get some right here. So you see this is real time, okay? I'm not gonna pause it. Again, I don't wanna pause it, just so you guys could see how this stuff really works. And then I'll tell you how long it took me to do my window and go from there. Okay, so just, and again, this truck right here has been sitting, it was sitting a lot against hard water sprinklers from Northern California, so you could just imagine the severity of the spots. The video doesn't do it justice. It's really hard, you guys. The really hard water stains. I tried removing it with rubbing compound. It took me ages to get even small spot off. Okay, so there you go. And then I'm just gonna get a rag, just get a just a regular dry rag, and just kind of buff it off. So there you have it, folks. That stuff works. You know, again, depending on the severity of the spot, you know, I would say use it modestly or whatever. You know, you might have to give it a little bit of elbow grease, but you know, needless to say, the stuff does work. It works. So there you go. See, here's some more spots here, that areas that have spots, and if you go up here, the spots are gone, especially in this area. This is where I was really concentrating on. One thing I found about this, you guys, it smells very much like Lime-A-Way. So I have a feeling, I mean, I'm not a scientist or a chemist or whatever, but I have a feeling that this stuff has like Lime-A-Way stuff on it, because I can smell the Lime-A-Way on it, and some diatomaceous earth. Yep, it definitely does smell like Lime-A-Way, so I'm pretty darn sure there's Lime-A-Way in there. And then it has the same effect when you do Lime-A-Way. One thing, you guys, you want to do is little areas at a time, because they do smear. They smear the residue, and you know, all that calcium deposit, when you smear it, it kind of spreads and it's hard to remove. So what I do is I use a dry towel. I have a dry towel to buff the area out that I just did. Again, I just did this part right here so you guys could see how it works. Get a clean rag. This is actually a microfiber towel that I'm using, and there it is, guys. But again, you're gonna have to really, yeah, depending on the severity of the hard water stains, you're gonna have to buff it quite a bit. And then what I do is I have another wet rag that that's kind of damp. I just go through it again, you know, to kind of like balance out the residue, and then I wipe it off again. There you have it, folks. It works. Okay, the stuff works. Again, there it is right there. This is the area that has spots. Over here, it's gone. So it does work. Again, it does smell like Lime Away, and I ordered the whole kit. I haven't tried the rest of the stuff yet, like for the paint and all that, the paint to get rid of the paint spots. I haven't tried that yet. I will try that. I might do a video on that as well, but I wanted to show you guys the Hype. But as you can see here, it's very, very clean. This used to be pretty much as bad as this one. If not, actually, I take that back. It was actually worse than this one. Let me see if I could get, and you can see a lot of residue there. So yep, see all that spots there, and then right here it's gone. Okay, so what I suggest, once you remove it, wash the car, and then I would wax the window. Yep, wax the window so that it protects it. But again, like this truck was sitting around hard water stains because of the sprinklers. I mean, it took me a while to buff it out, but I got most of it out. But again, on the window, one of the biggest things that I did not like about this was that they said it was a 2-day shipping, and it took about 9 days, and you have to kind of chase them around. But of course, because of COVID and stuff, I guess it's understandable. So again, apply it with your finger or a rag. I suggest a rag because your fingers will get dried up. Dry it out with another clean rag, and then I would finish it off with glass cleaner, or just wash your car afterwards. Anyway, guys, again, I'm not sponsored by these people. Just wanted to do kind of like a true review on it, a non-biased review, because I did try to buff out a small piece on my own using rubbing compound, and I tell you guys, it was difficult. I was even using a drill, and it was still difficult. So with this, as you guys could see or saw, it was pretty fast. So this window right here took me about 30 minutes. Okay, so I guess depending on the severity of your spots, like I said, that's how long it would take. I am not sponsored by these people, and thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see, click like and subscribe. I am a mortgage banker by profession. I do these things on the side to kind of get my mind off of things in between work. And I'm also a vending machine operator. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, or you guys just want to say what's up or subscribe or whatever, click the link down below, click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Peace.